besties, welcome back to the channel. It is time for some sweater weather nails. We're gonna do some accenty nails, right? You could use all three of these in the same set with a couple of, like maybe pink or purple nails to match the glitters. But honestly, I just think of these as three different accent nails. So first thing we're going to do is a little bit of snowflakes. And we're going to use these really cool glitters that you see here. They're triangles, but they have a little peak. So they're kind of like really shallow pyramids. And if you put them together, they make a really cool looking diamond shape. And so what I'm going to do is just put those together. Sorry for this ridiculous way that this program edits sometimes. There you go. See, we're making the little pyramids and bringing them together into a little circle so they make kind of a flower shape. And I did cut a lot of that out, guys, because oh my God, I cannot even tell you how long it took me to place all these and to get them right. And these are, when they cut these, they cut them in stacks. So they're really stuck together and you've got to take the time to pull them all apart. It's a little bit of a nightmare, especially when you have long nails. So it did take me a while to get this done. And I do a half one at the bottom as well, but not as full. There you go. I kind of skipped that for you guys. Actually, I forgot to press record. So, oops, I probably would have showed you. But, I'm a pro at this. So now I'm just going to come around and outline that flower shape to help with the white. That helps give it more of a kind of a snowflake vibe. Our snowflake is already purple and the bottom one is kind of like a peach, but they both have like a duochrome sort of shifty pattern. Like especially on that one at the bottom, you can see it keeps shifting to sort of a green-blue color. So that's already sort of a fantasy snowflake. But hey, I don't think your nails have to be realistic. Hello, they're already not realistic, right? So do what you want. Now we're just going to come in now that we have outlined the entire shape and add some dots to again reinforce the feeling of it being a snowflake. And on this bottom one, I'm just going to add some lines and then also add a few dots to give it that more of a snowflake and less of a flower situation. Although these shapes could 100% make the cutest flower nails if you just added some stems and some leaves and things like that. These would be the cutest flowers. So let's do that this spring for sure. But for now, let's finish up with some dots here. Again, reinforcing that this is indeed a snowflake. We're going to pop it in the lamp and then we're going to go ahead and attack two of these same color nails with some hearts. And the hearts are two different colors of pink. Sorry, my brain went. Two different colors of pink, and we're just alternating those together. And just changing the direction that it goes in. One's up, one's down. I just kind of liked the idea of it. And we're going to do that all the way down the center of the nail. And it does take a second for me to realize that, hey, I can fit one more of these hearts on there, and we do. I just packed that whole line full, as many as I can get. I think these hearts are just adorable. So, guys, let me tell you, my new grandson hit planet Earth yesterday. Actually, when you're watching this, it will have been 2 days ago. He came on Saturday. And my daughter did fabulously well. She ended up having to have a C-section, but she did really great, and she is recovering well. And I've not actually talked to her yet this morning, but I think that, yep, there's a snap right there. So as soon as I get done with this, I'll find out how the night went. He's already nursing really well, and I'm just, oh my God, he's so gorgeous. And the videos that I got had me bursting into tears all night long last night. I'm just so thrilled that she finally has her baby and that she's so happy, and that I'm going to be going there next week to see them. So super excited. I'm going to try really hard. We are coming down the sides of this again with that striper brush to outline those hearts. Sorry, I got so caught up in grandson chat. And now we're going to go the opposite direction with these. We're going to go horizontal instead of vertical. So anyway, yeah, I'm super excited. I'm going to be going out there next week. I'm going to try really hard to not miss any content, but there might be a day or two where you don't have a video. And if that does happen, I want to apologize for that right now. But I'm going to soak up as much grandkid time as I can, and also get some other things done while I'm out there that we'll talk about in the future. Okay, so now we're just laying these out in lines, and then of course we're going to add the once we get it cured, and we are laying these into top coat the same way we did the other one. Just top coat it and then lay down your glitter. So, and then of course we are going to add some lines with the white, because I think the white lines are really what give it more of the sweater quality, because you do see heart sweaters, but a lot of times they will have those stripes. So I wanted to add those. And here we go, a single one at the bottom, because once you get down there, there's just no way you can add 3 unless you bunch them together, and then that kind of ruins the pattern. And here we go with the stripes. Oops, I got a little crazy with the camera there. I probably bumped it with my head. Guys, that happens more than you think. Just perfecting my little lines here, making sure they look the way I want them. Getting a little bit on my finger, like you do. Well, I'm starting to get hungry. I think it's time for some food after this. Thumbs up for food, please. Give me a thumbs up for food. Who doesn't love food? All right, time to hit it with some top coat. Now, I did want to mention, this set is bumpy. And if you're a girl that doesn't like a lumpy, bumpy nail, you probably want to encapsulate something like this. And of course, top coating is encapsulating, but you can get a much smoother nail by just putting some builder gel or some acrylic across the top in clear. And I do add a couple of top coats to these because I actually think that it looks better when it's smoother and you're looking at it the way the light is hitting it. So I do add another top coat off camera, and I think you'll see that even better in the reveal shots. But you can see I'm being juicy with it. You've really got to make sure that you surround those glitters. Let's zoom in. Guys, I love these. Just any one of these would make a great accent nail on a very simple set. Or you could put them all together for a jazzy glam sweater set with some simple nails as accents. So you could really do whatever you like with these. Absolutely love the way they look. They're so, so shiny but cute. Guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. I cannot say comment section. But let me know what you think, and definitely let me know what kind of content you would like to see in the upcoming year, as I am really excited about some of the things that I've got planned, and I would really love to hear what you would like to see so we can add to those plans. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you next time for some New Year's nails. Mwah. Have a great day, you guys. Bye-bye.